If you encounter the failed to get OnlineFix Interface error while launching the Meccha Chameleon game on your PC, don't worry. This is a common issue and can be fixed bisahula by following a few steps carefully. First, you need to check your Windows Defender protection history and restore any files that may have been blocked or removed. After restoring them, you should add your game's installation folder to the Windows Defender exclusion list to prevent it from deleting those files again in the future. Here's how to do it step by step. 1. Press the Windows key +I on your keyboard to open Settings. 2. Go to Privacy and Security, then select Windows Security. 3. Click on Virus and Threat Protection. 4. Under this section, select Protection History. You will now see a list of files that have been blocked by Windows Defender. Carefully review each entry. If there are multiple files, make sure to check all of them one by one. Click on any item to expand its details. Look for affected files related to your game, such as Meccha Chameleon, Penguin Hotel, or similar names. If you find any of these, you should see an option to restore the file. Click Restore to recover it. If you don't see your game files in the list, continue checking other entries until you find them. After restoring the necessary files, go back to the Virus and Threat Protection page and scroll down to Virus and Threat Protection Settings. Click on Manage Settings. Scroll down again and select Add or Remove Exclusions, then click Yes if prompted. Now, click Add an exclusion. Select Folder. Browse to your game's installation directory. For example, if your game is installed via Steam, go to this PCD drive or your install drive, Steam Library Steam Apps Common Meccha Chameleon. Select the game folder and confirm. Once added, Windows Defender will no longer interfere with these files. Now, when you launch the game again, the error should be resolved, and the game should run without issues.